welcome back to Legendary channel. So in this video, I'm going to be learning how to draw a red pepper by doing.
All credits to the original artist for this beautiful red bell pepper artwork. In this tutorial, we'll be drawing a realistic bell pepper using colored pencils. We begin by lightly sketching the outline, then slowly layer multiple shades of red, starting with the lightest base tone. Next, we add depth using darker reds, soft transitions, and subtle highlights to create that shiny, realistic surface. Finally, we shade the green stem and blend everything smoothly for a polished, lifelike finish.
Thank you.